Okay. A Bachelor of Physical Education is a very dynamic course. You have a lot of work opportunities upon graduation. No? First, in DepEd, you can teach MAPE in the junior high school, and if you will be employed in the senior high school department, you can teach physical education and health, which I think more aligned to your course since you are BPED. And then also you have a great chance in CHED. You can be a physical education instructor, no? And then you can also teach in private, MAPE teacher in junior high school at the same time in senior high school. And then you can also pursue being a fitness instructor since you have a wide background on fitness plan. And then you can be a you can be a coach because of course you are more exposed on different types of sports. You are trained in organization and management, and of course being in BPED program, being a PE teacher or a MAPE teacher will provide you with a very kind of flexible career in BPED. You can be the host, you can be the choreographer, you can be the writer, you can be the director, everything. You can teach English, you can teach math, you can teach science, but they cannot teach MAPE because our subject is very technical. So that I think an edge, and I think that will also make our course kanang marketable. Yeah.
Talking about careers, graduate ka, Bachelor of Physical Education, naghan kayo of possible careers that you could really take for example, being a coach, international coach, or university professors, especially sa to ang kining national team, you could as well posible kayo na sakit ang national athlete tawag na organization. If possibly po you could take medical courses as well, for example, physical therapist. So, if gusto ka mag-proceed sa sa inline ng physical education, daghan of chances, daghan of doors, daghan of opportunities that you could take for.
Passion and vertical alignment in hobbies manggod. So makapursue ko sa physical education or MAPE sa high school. It's because of my passion nga mahilig ko magsayaw. So basically dancing is in line with physical education mo na siya nga. So teaching physical education is very enjoyable para sa ako since makatudlo og sayaw, makatudlo og kanta, and many other sports.
Yes, it is very important because of how you deal with your learners. For example, this time during your interview, if a teacher that have a proper communication skills, the flow of your class, or for example, the interview will not be fluent. So you can be nervous, just like now. I'm a little bit nervous, and you cannot deliver your lesson 100% if your communication skills is lacking or you are not prepared. So you are in this session, it is very related. You can have, or you can be a good uh, deliverer of your lesson through your communication skills.
Issues and challenges. So, dagan issues and challenges. Like, ako like mention, like, for example, if you will become a PE teacher, and then you are the, like for example, ikaw in charge sa dance troupe. So, mag-appeal ka or naay mga activities sa school or sa community, permanente tawagon ang dance troupe kay what you call that one, intermission, kanang appeal sa or mga contest. So, challenges gid kaayo na siya kay mabiyaan imong klase or kung financially pud kung appeal og contest gabi ka challenge kay kung walay mga materials or mga costumes sa imong mga dancers or walay mga financial support ang mga estudyante nga mag-appeal sa mga sports, appeal sa different competition. So, kung kulang sa financial support, lisod kayo kay daduli mga bata, and then sa mga training also. So, ang kinahanglan din ka og time management, effort, yun. Ang imuha yung panahon ang importante.
Issues, challenges. Maybe in the teaching field, challenging din ang equipment in teaching. Kay you cannot expect the school to buy mahal ba ang equipment sa mga sports. So, minsan pag mag-request ka, lagi time nga hindi gina mag-grant kay dili gid na ako priority pa sa school to avail or to purchase materials. As a teacher, you need to be resourceful. Need tayo ka pa maagi nga bisan pag sa kakulangon sa school, the students may learn hapon sports or event para ang learning. Yes.